Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online learning initiative Ekalaiva.
Now, we are going to discuss energy consideration in motional EMF. Let us consider a straight conductor moving in a uniform magnetic field. So, here we are going to assume a uniform magnetic field in which a straight conductor is moving. Let us consider the arm PQ, which is moving with velocity v. And now let us assume R be the resistance of the movable arm PQ. So this is the resistance of movable arm PQ. And we are going to assume the remaining arms QR, RS and PS have negligible resistance compared to R. So the overall resistance of the rectangular loop is taken as R, and this does not change as PQ is moved. So what will be the current in the loop? We know that current is equal to, that is induced current is equal to induced EMF divided by resistance. And in the previous topic, we derived the expression for this induced EMF, right? What is that induced EMF? B L V divided by R. Here, because of the presence of this magnetic field, there will be a force on this arm PQ. And what will be the force? The force will be given by force on the arm PQ is equal to I L vector cross B vector. And this force is directed outwards in the direction opposite to the velocity of the rod. Now, let us consider the magnitude of this force. Okay, the magnitude of the force F is equal to I L B. And here we are going to substitute the expression for current. So we know that current, that is induced current, B L V divided by R into L B. Okay, which is equal to B square L square V divided by R. And here one thing we have to notice, children. Actually, this force, which is due to drift velocity of charges along the rod. And because of the drift velocity, the Lorentz force which is acting on them. Okay. So now let us assume the arm PQ. So this arm PQ which is being pushed with the speed V. So whenever this arm, when it is pushed with a constant speed V, then what will be the power? So the power required to do this is P is equal to, we know that power is equal to force into velocity. Okay, so already we know that force formula is B square L square V divided by R into this velocity. So we will get B square L square V square divided by R. Okay. The agent that does this work is actually mechanical. Okay. And we will have one doubt here. Where does this mechanical energy go? Actually, this mechanical energy, which is dissipated as Joule heat, we know that Joule's heating effect P is equal to I square R. So now again we know that I, that is induced current, is equal to BLV by R. So BLV divided by R the whole square into resistance R. So we will get B square L square V square divided by R square into R. So again these two will get cancelled. We will get B square L square V square divided by R. Okay. So compare these two expressions, children. Already we got power is equal to B square L square V square by R. And again we got B square L square V square by R. Okay. So we can very well say that mechanical energy which was needed to move this arm PQ, which is converted into electrical energy, and then it is converted into thermal energy. Hope all of you understood this topic. Thank you, students.